Hi everyone, this is Cindy with Creating with the Heart, and I'm back with week 3 of the Halloween collaboration. So, part of the collaboration is that everything that we make, we're going to be sending to a partner, which we don't know what our partner is. So before I get started, I did want to show you my inspiration for the project. So this is a B6 notebook that I had made last year. I don't think I showed this. I don't think that I finished this. This was my daily from last year, and I don't think that I finished it. So I've got some October. So this is what I did for my daily last year. So I'm going to go through this and see if I can't finish. So a lot of it was just putting in stickers and things, inspiration, things that I got in Happy Mail. Just various pictures. And so I don't think I finished. I didn't think I finished it, so maybe I just have a few things to finish. So, maybe I got really close. Maybe I did finish it. Oh, like sticking together. Thanks. So this was from, oh, I did finish. I guess I did finish it. All right, well, what do you know? I didn't even know I finished it. Look at that. I did this last year. So this is what I did for documenting October. And so I don't know if I'm going to be doing that again, but this, or in this style, even though I love this paper, so I might print out this paper and maybe make a little book out of it. But this paper is from the, I forget where it's from, Planner Society paper. It was a download. So I guess I did finish it. That was my daily October. So for my partner, I made 2 things that she can use to document her October. Okay, so the first, I'm having camera problems, like just knowing how to set it up because I have the autofocus off. So I have 2 things that I'm going to send her that are going, and they're very different in terms of paper and what they look like. So I'll do this one. This is really simple. So this was what I would consider a scrap buster. So this is all the leftover bits and pieces from the Doodle Bug Halloween paper kit that I had gotten from Tuesday morning. And I used every single scrap of that paper. I'm telling you, every single scrap of that paper has been used. And I am so excited about it because I just love when I do that. So I just tied it off with some funky ribbon that I had in my stash. And basically, I took all the bits and pieces together. My dog, someone complained about him last time. And all the cut aparts. And I just made a little book that you could journal. You could put pictures. And this flips up. It's very simple. And I just used my Bind It All. And it's very cute. So that'll get sent to my person. And then I also made, yikes, what a mess. I also made a traveler's notebook, and I am using I think it's Caitlin Lazzardi, her die. And that die is, I think it's a personal size. So it's not real big. But I laminated everything, and I used this clip that I had gotten from Tuesday morning. And this is something I had laminated from it as well. And then when you open it, I made it so it had plenty of room in case you want to add things. So this is a pocket also from Caitlin Lazzardi that I attached, as well as a couple of the cut aparts. This one is laminated, and then here's a couple more cut aparts. And then I made 4 books. So the books use the spellcast paper, as well as the little bits and pieces stickers and things like that from the kit as well. And then here's the first notebook and the second notebook. And then I also made, I'm hoping that this stays because I don't have a lot of luck with my fuse, but I did fuse a little bookmark, and I put a bunch of sequins, and this mix is from Buttons Galore. I had hauled these sequins before, and I just love that. And then here I've got just a little pocket and the other book, as well as another bookmark, and that's just laminated paper. There's a couple stickers that are laminated in there as well. And then here's the other side of the little pocket. So it's like a folder. And then here is the last notebook. And then in here, I just took the Target dollar spot, which is really a $3 spot, pocket, clear pocket, and put some of the little cut apart pieces in there. It just says trick or treat. And then it just closes up like so. And then this just gets clipped on. So simple little notebook. I think it'd be really, really cute to do some journaling in. And so these two projects are my projects for the Halloween collab week 3. And those will be going to whoever my partner is. So please make sure that you watch everybody else's videos. They've got really great ideas. This is Cindy, the Crane with the Heart.